A very good morning to all the kids. Students, yesterday we read about types of beaks. Today we are going to move further. So, see, first of all, there is feet and claws. So, they have 2 feet and they use their feet to catch their food and to walk, and they use their claws to sit on the branches or on the ground and use their claws to protect themselves also. This way we can see their living habits also through their claws. Now next is features which help birds to fly. So the body of birds is very light because its bones are thin, light and hollow. Hollow means empty from inside. This is the most important feature that helps them to fly. Their body is boat shaped, which is narrow in the front and at the end, while broad in the middle. This shape helps them to cut through the air. It means their shape of body help them to move in the or fly in the air. They have 2 wings which are covered with feathers, as every bird has such type of wings, and these wings help them to fly. Their bones are very light and strong, and the tail of a bird is like a rudder of a boat. Rudder is a piece of wood that or metal, you can say, that is used for controlling the direction while flying in the sky. So these were the features. Now, flight of the bird, the way they fly in the sky. Okay, to start flying, a bird jumps into the air. Okay, like we jump into the water, they jump in the air, and it then flaps. Then birds flap its wings. Flap means to move up and down, to push itself upwards and forward. When they start fly, they move upward and forward in the air, and when they have to stop flying, they have to get down on the ground, and when they lands, then they spread out their wings to stop. Okay, and they use their tail to change their direction while flying. Now in the picture you can see what is upstroke and downstroke. Downstroke means in the downstroke the wings move downward and forward. You can see the direction of the wings, and in the upstrokes the wings move upward and backward. Okay, now let's move further. Important facts about birds. So there are 9865 different kinds of birds alive in the nature. Some birds like eagle and vulture fly very high. These type of birds fly very high. But some birds like crow and swallow fly long distance. They can fly till far away areas. Now next is some birds like duck and hen can fly only short distance. They can't fly much. Okay, birds like emu, ostrich, penguin cannot fly. These are flightless birds. They can only hop, as you would have seen in the pictures or in uh, any picture. You can see that penguin only can jump or hop, that cannot fly. And some birds live in water like swan and crane. Okay, so these were the features. I hope the concept is understood to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.